Jag Mods.
Hey, welcome to Jag Mods. In this video, we are going to be taking this spring off of that shock and mounting onto this one in a very unorthodox way. And I'm just going to get this out front. Don't be a dumbass and do what I did. You could get seriously injured, killed, well, maimed. Yeah, kids, don't try this at home. Without further ado, let's get to it. I think I'll need some of this. We'll say about that big. All right.
Maestro, cue the music.
Probably clean this first. Things just come apart easier when they're clean. Beautiful rotor. It's a beautiful rotor. All right, here we go. Oh, 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 oh. There's one. Kind of. Out, out. It's kind of hung up on this lip here. Oh, rise to the occasion, my friend. Boing, boing, boing. Houston, we have a problem.
Just kidding.
Always one. think I made them a little too short. What do you think? Alright, let's stick this together. Well, no, not us. Well, I guess you're watching, so I guess we are kind of sticking together. Not that way, no. Anyway, so spring goes on. This is the filling part. Kind of gotta in one side, and spin it onto the next. So it fits. Which way do you spin it? You spin it that way.
Yeah, there's nothing like a guy trying to show you what to do when he doesn't really
You gotta
have a
get
good
it
grasp
both.
of what he's doing to
Try to get
begin with.
This side
Boom!
in.
Epic fail.
Kind of. Really?
Okay, here we go again, round 2. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more successful.
And that one, they've got these nice little clippy-doos to kind of hold it in place.
I can't take it anymore. So basically what we got going on here is you hook the spring compressor in and the bottom of the shock, so it's all kind of hooked together, and then clamp away.
Half of it in.
Good luck.
Stick it in. Okay. Is that all you got? Yeah, that's what I got. There. Alright, so now we just kind of give it a twist to push the bottom in so it seats. Just like that. Now, mind you, it's not going to go in straight, but you'll see that here shortly. All the body parts out of the way. Make sure everything is still
All
in place.
by myself, I wanna. When I think about you, I touch myself.
Away from me. I mean, I've already got a face for radio, but still. Alright, so now we just kind of pull that over. Just to drop it in. Pull that over to just drop it in. Come on. Yeah, see, I usually put that in first, but I think this will work.
I'm not sure I can watch the rest of this. This could go seriously wrong.
Okay. Okay. Now it's got a dome on it. It's capped, or got a groove. This fits in it. This goes face down. That's face up.
Okay, this is a really bad idea. Taking a hammer to a spring that's compressed and a spring compressor. Not the sharpest tool in the shed. This is a good way to get dead.
Just like that. But hopefully a lot easier. Well, yes we are. Boy, am I glad I put that on there.
Well, so now you know how a monkey takes a shock, takes a spring off an old shock. Hope you found that entertaining. I actually wasn't going to get hurt because I was able to make the video. I'd already taken 3 of them off already, so I knew that I could do it without being maimed. Otherwise, this video wouldn't have happened. Anyway, would I do this again? I like these gas adjust shocks for the price. They're like 60 bucks. I've got them on the green XJ6, and I've got them on the 88 XJS, and I love them. I don't love this solution. Well, as you can tell, isn't the best. I could have used this entirely if I had this type of solution, because this part, well, because you can get the clips in and out of the ring. This one, you can't. And so then I had to use that other spring compressor that I completely forgot about and was just kind of meandering in the depths of the garage here looking for something. I don't want to scratch up my beautiful rotor. I'm in the process of putting an online store. Yes, in case some of you notice, Infosystems, that's my company. I do technology for a living and do this for fun. COVID has pretty much put me out of business because most of my clients are medical and dental. Yeah, so online store, I'm going to offer some of these cool parts and stuff that I use, that I like, and some of the tools that I've made. You guys will be able to place orders for tools like the socket to adjust the crush sleeve on the output shafts. But anyway, back to this. I like the shock. I don't like the solution. Other alternatives, well, when I bought these, I was flat ass broke, and so these were on sale, and I got all 4 of them for under $200, and so I was happier than pigs and shit. Gas would probably be my next alternative. I have Koni's in my Impala. They're a great shock. They ride just a little too rough. My wife is complaining about it. She'd shit if I told you why, so I'm not going to. I just had about, driving on bumpy roads and body parts bouncing, and that's all I'm going to say. You can, dot to dot on that one. Anyway, back to this. Bose are like $97. They're the OEs. That's what those originally came with. Blistine is what I've heard, but I don't think that's true. I think a Bose was the original shock. So if you're looking for that ride, Bose would be the route. They're $97. The gas are like just the shock themselves. Well, they come in different flavors. The cheap one for the rear, and I'm just talking rear shocks. I'm not talking about the front, just the rear. They're like $118 or $119 at S&G Barrett. They do have, you can buy this whole assembly too, so you can get the springs and the shocks, and I think they're like right around 200 bucks a piece. I was looking for the link earlier today and I couldn't find it, but if I find it, I'll put it down below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful or at least entertaining, hit the like button, subscribe. If you're a member of a Jag club, tell your Jag buddies. And for those of you who have subscribed, I'm tickled pink that I've hit 100 subscribers. Thank you very much. I'm glad that you found these videos entertaining and knowledgeable. Well, not knowledgeable, but, well, maybe. Useful. There we go. Ring the bell to get notified for up and coming videos. This one too was brought to you by COVID-19. Don't get any on you. Without further ado, I'm out. Thanks for watching. watching.